Hello guys, subscribe to Intersplay and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get our latest video faster. Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome back. You watching Display. I'm your host nirmoy, and this is tech news. I'm gonna talk about bitcoins. Do you know what is it? I'm gonna tell you everything which you should know, which you shouldn't. Do you want to buy it? Which you want to, if you want to invest it, or anything else? What is it? I'm gonna tell you everything. So let's continue in the video. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So you watching Display with me nirmoy, and this is the tech news. Also, I can say it's a geek news because worldwide now there's a cryptocurrency, and maybe people know about it. Some people don't know about it. What is it? What is cryptocurrency? I'm gonna tell you about something Bitcoin. Yeah, maybe probably you have heard about it. Those who are technical background and those who are technical guys, maybe you have heard, but you don't know what it is actually thing. So first of all, the first thing which you should know that Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. Now maybe you guys are thinking that what is cryptocurrency. For that I can say a cryptocurrency is a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange that uses cryptography to secure its transaction, to control the creation of additional units, and to verify the transfer of asset. Now, if you want to know more about cryptocurrency, you can comment below. I'll make sure that I'm gonna make another video regarding cryptocurrency. But for this video, I'm gonna tell you about something about Bitcoin. So it's a, as you know, it's a cryptocurrency and worldwide payment system. Now it is the first decentralized digital currency, as the system works without a central bank or single administrator. The network is peer-to-peer, and transactions take place between users directly through the use of cryptography without an intermediary. Now these transactions are verified by network nodes and recorded in a public distributed ledger called a blockchain. Now Bitcoin was invented by an unknown person or group of people under the name Satoshi Nakamoto and released as open source software in 2009. Now the main thing I'm gonna tell you that whether maybe you want to know that you should buy it or not, you can buy it or not, how can you access Bitcoin, everything I'm gonna tell you right now. Now as you may be thinking that you're gonna buy Bitcoin and how to buy it, but before that you should know the price of a Bitcoin. Now it is really interesting when you are getting understand what is Bitcoin. Now you are going to know what is the value of Bitcoin. The value of Bitcoin appears to be on the rise again after it fell almost $9,000 in a matter of days. The notoriously volatile cryptocurrency is expected to carry on fluctuating unpredictability, which is why numerous financial experts are urging people not to get involved with it, believing that boom can only end badly. Now it can also obviously can end badly, but if you are in luck, you can get rich with just to buy one Bitcoin, and maybe after tonight or after a day you are going to be rich. But that's not totally predictable, and you cannot predict anything that whether it's going to fall or it's rising up. You cannot think like that. You cannot do the calculations on this thing. But right now the situation is that Bitcoin's price is going up, so if you want to buy, you can. So however, if you're still curious and want to find out more, I'm gonna tell you about that also. The easiest way to get involved is by signing up to a Bitcoin wallet service. You can also mine Bitcoin using a supercomputer, an unrealistic option for most people. Now maybe it's realistic for you, then you can try that. The unrealistic option I said because supercomputer is not accessible for any other people in the world. right? So you cannot use supercomputers like that. The computer or PC you are using in your home or in your work, it's simply a microcomputer. Now there is 4 different types of computer. I'm gonna tell it some other day about that. Now the supercomputer, which is you cannot access easily, but for this buying Bitcoin option you need to use a supercomputer, so that's why it's unrealistic for you. Or set up and control your own wallet but using third-party service as far simpler. Some of the most popular options are Coinbase, Blockchain Info, and Xapo. The spelling is XAPO. Now these are the most popular Bitcoin wallet. You can go and search by yourself, look into to their web and understand what is it and what they are trying to say. Now which you can use on both WhatsApp and mobile. Now this is the worldwide version, so that's why it's no limitation that only you can use in only desktop or mobile. No, it's not. You can use it anywhere. You can sign up to those website as you would sign up to any website. Enter your name and email address and set a password to get started. Now after that, it's time to connect your bank account, debit card or credit card. Use two-factor authentication to secure your account, but don't use your phone number or SMS for this. According to security researchers, criminals only need to know your name and number in order to steal from your Bitcoin wallet. Introduce Google authentication or a security key such as a YubiKey. YubiKey is a most popular security key in the world. Now once you have done this, you can start investing in Bitcoin. Whichever service you decide to use, you will be able to access a graph showing how Bitcoin's value has changed over time. Now it's likely to look extremely jammed. With the value of the Bitcoin so high at the time of writing, it may come as a relief to hear that it's a perfectly possible and not at all usual to purchase small fraction of Bitcoin. Once you've established how much traditional money you are willing to invest, complete your exchange through your wallet service following their instruction. Now, however, experts have repeatedly warned against getting involved not only in Bitcoin, extremely volatile, but investors in it and other cryptocurrency are frequently targeted by criminals. Earlier this year, for instance, the value of Bitcoin dropped by 5.4% after $31 million worth of cryptocurrency Tether was stolen. Coinbase users have been targeted successfully too. The best things you can do to protect yourself to always proceed with extreme caution. Scammers continuously and constantly using phishing attacks to try to trick people into visiting malicious websites that look official but aren't. They commonly send out fake but legitimate looking emails which you need to be wary of. To stay safe, you simply shouldn't engage with them. Don't follow any links in the message or enter any private details they ask you for. Instead, you should always make sure you are going on the right website or app. Just type the website name in the browser, then only you should access it. Now people are also being dubbed by malicious website promising quick profits and trendy tips. Again, use common sense to protect yourself and don't take any unnecessary risks. Bitcoin transactions are what can I say, it's totally irreversible. So if any of the currency leaves your account, you won't be able to get a refund. Yes, that's right, you have heard it totally correct. If any currency leaves your account, you won't be able to get a single refund. It also easy to lose Bitcoin, and once it's gone, it can be tough to get back. Now some services such as Coinbase allow you to set price alerts that tells you when the values of Bitcoin dipped below or climbed above specific figures. When you decide it's time to sell up, you can complete the transactions through the wallet service. Now this is the whole process, how you can buy some Bitcoin or you can invest on that through these websites, through these wallets. First you need to sign up, then you are good to go with this Bitcoin technology. Now what is the Bitcoin price? Yeah, that's still the question. I'm gonna tell you now. And also something more about this. Okay, now maybe you are curious about the Bitcoin price. It's actually 15.3k dollars, one Bitcoin. Yes, that's right. One Bitcoin equal to 15.3k dollar, US dollar. Now still, if you want to buy it, go ahead, buy it, but for that you need to see and understand one warning, which is Bitcoin warning: cryptocurrency at risk from hackers who bankrupt currency exchange. Bitcoin's unexpected value increases had transformed that cryptocurrency into a perfect target for North Korean hackers. Cybersecurity expert like Luke McNamara was warned about this. Now Bitcoin prices has been at an all-time high, but the cryptocurrency could be facing growing risk of hacking due to its unexpected value increase. Now it's obvious, right, that which things are more valuable, which things are growing just like this. These are all easy to, I mean, hackers get involved in this type of situations easily, and they want to target this type of situations easily. So maybe if you want to buy it, just think before you do it, because it has been hacked many times. Many accounts has been hacked. There are mines in websites, there are and whatnot. You can be targeted by anything if you are investing in Bitcoin, but there is a huge chance that you can get rich by just buying one Bitcoin. So it's up to you guys. Just think and let me know in the comment below that whether you are interested or not. And if you don't understand any bit of it or particular section of it, just comment below and I'll make another video to make you understand properly. So I'm gonna tell you something more about Bitcoin and the hacks about that, but in the another video I'm gonna make another video about that. So for this video I just told you what is Bitcoin and what bad, what good about all this. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. I'm signing off. Bye bye. Hey guys, so here we are. I hope you liked the video which we just saw, and for more video you can click over here. If you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't yet, just click over here down below. You'll see our logo icon. Just click over here and you'll subscribe to our channel. If you want to follow us on the social media, click over there. There are all links down below, and you can see our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, all the links down below. And I'm gonna signing off right now, and comment that you like our videos or not, and if you want to improve for anything, just comment below and I'll reply to you. So bye bye guys, I'm signing off. See ya.